What's up, my fellow Duraks? Welcome to another commentary on the Diamond server, trying to do things others can't if they don't watch my videos or straight up just masturbate all day. Of course, you won't learn much if you wank it all day. You won't get far if you wank it all day. You have to keep yourself in position, keep yourself focused all the time, at any times. Let's not talk too much crap this time in the intro. Let's get straight up into it, shall we? So, these beautiful bros instantly gave me 2 aces. That's of course a present we both instantly take. So, where's the first strategy? Of course, you do not feed on enemy high cards, especially not on a diamond server with 10k points on the line. Why the hell would you do that even? Who taught you to play this game? I'm not sure who it was, but it was definitely not me. So, to get things more straight up and fine, we of course give him the king, which is not completely necessary, but it's nice for the flow, you know. It wouldn't be necessary at all, but it makes things look way nicer. And even nicer is if I get the last ace, and of course they give me the last ace, and now I've got a perfect row of aces, including the trump ace with diamond. So it doesn't matter what comes now. Of course, yeah, well, you could defend now with the aces, but why should you? There's still 8 more cards left in the deck, and there is no need to defend and waste your aces at this point. So that's what we are going to write up. We are not going to waste cards too early. Well, we need them in the end, don't we? So, and still also, since these were 2 10s with cross and spade, and also I have the trump 10 with diamond. This is a nice 3 or 4 row, nearly filled up row of 10s, and also adds up pretty nice to defend later on, which you will see. Cough, cough. Yeah. So now, of course, we have reached a point in the game where... Oh, I'm not defending. Okay. Yeah, of course, we keep the last 10 trump to defend, of course. And now we defend with the aces. 2 more cards left in the deck, including the jack trump. And now we go for the lowest multiple card, which is in this case, of course, the 8. Lowest multiple cards are first, always. Usually, not always. Usually, not always. At least in the beginning of the game. You never know. And oh, not the blundered. Should have played the ace. Sorry, was distracted. But I guess you can also learn from me. Learn from my mistakes. Why should I even lay the queen, man? That was so stupid. See, learn from my mistakes. So I'm doing the mistakes, so you don't have to. Kind of. By all means, but I can also use all my tactics and be, I don't know, all around and always there. But in the end, it's sometimes these little blunders that mess up a whole game, and that was just straight up stupid. I don't know why I even did that. If I would have laid the ace out, this hurts. It was just perfectly played, perfectly collected, and in the end, I messed up everything, man. What the heck? Okay. Anyways. I guess either the jack or the ace for defense, of course. But then again, it's a question, what else do we collect? And I guess it's best to go for the jacks. Fill up the jacks. There's still a lot of cards out there, and wow. You're giving me this for free? Oh no, that was so nice, Such a nice guy. Alright, that looks better now. Now we can defend with the jacks, of course. Since they presented the row of jacks, they just give it to me for free. What nice kind of players they are. How kind of you. Here we go. Could push that to me. Shove it. No? Okay. 666, 999. Now, of course, we come and we pressure now since it's end game time and hope he cannot defend it. And next up is D7. Also possible would have been the 210s, so to get the last queen trump. I would have liked that one better, to be honest. But now it turns out fine anyway. Yeah, that could have been a mistake as well. Laying the 2 cards to get the last card in the deck would have been way better. Because this, in the end, was just luck. When we don't run for luck, we run for strategies. Goodbye, my Duraks.